Welcome back to another episode of traveling in Patparganj. This is the other part of the Patparganj. Here you can find the fancy ones, fancy markets. Rich people stay here. Alright, let's go ahead. This is the market. You will find beautiful products and high-end products here. Did you see those guys? Those people who are jumping the red light. One guy was delivery guy. That's how accidents happen. And if you can come here, this is a pretty nice market. Good food, good ambience. Maybe there are some bars also here around. And I don't come here that often, but they should be. Let's go ahead. Okay, right now we are in Sani Enclave, not Sanic. That's a different part. And you will see the houses are upper class houses. You will find markets here, some hotels. It's the pretty good part of the Delhi. East Delhi, not whole Delhi, but East Delhi specifically. I hope the sound is okay now, because the previous mic was, it was new mic, but it was not working properly. Now I am using the old mic that I had. I thought the new mic would be better, but don't think it's going to work. We are going towards Ashoka Niketan. Sorry about that, there was a huge bump on the road. This is Anand Vihar. This is weather is quite okay right now. Today is 16th of November, not 15th, 16th of November. Surprised that there is so much traffic at this time. It's around 1 p.m. But today is also Sunday, so people are probably going out to have some, socialize, have some lunch outside, dine out. Let's go towards Yamuna Sports Complex. Okay guys, so we are towards Yamuna Sports Complex. You can come here to learn swimming, cricket, badminton, all kind of sports, snooker, indoor, outdoor. This is the perimeter wall of Yamuna Sports Complex. It's pretty huge, very big. There are multiple doors, and if you are not a member, you can get a daily pass and enjoy the facilities that this Yamuna Sports Complex has to offer. This is the pink booth. If anyone wants any help, they can use it. From outside, it doesn't look something, great, but from inside, it's pretty good. I used to come here to learn swimming, but there's not much time if you have to spend a lot of money for the coach. I didn't pay for the coach, I just went there as a visitor. Alright. The people who live in this area can really enjoy the Yamuna Sports Complex. Their children can, learn lots of stuff here. Rich people have all the good facilities. Poor people don't. They have to spend lots of money. People are not following the traffic rules. See, no helmet, nothing. And here are the sky rats, and people are feeding them, buying seeds from him. These are the main cause of the few diseases that are very dangerous. I think these guys are coming from Yamuna Sports Complex. This is Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University. Very good university. Have you ever seen so much empty roads in Delhi? Today it's pretty windy. I'll turn away from here. MG Windsor. Once again, meet MG Windsor. I have to be very careful. People are not following traffic rules. They are coming out of the side alleys like they own the road. Okay, these are green. Let's go. Some hospital. Okay, this guy is selling sugarcane juice, fresh sugarcane juice. These are called jugaad. One of the jugaad, many jugaads that we have here. the sports complex, seminar sports complex that I was talking about. Okay, there is red light. Let's see how many people are breaking the rules. No. Okay, that's green now. But he moved first. This dude is breaking the rule. Are these guys going to break the rule? This one? There is one more car breaking the rule. Here goes one more guy. Tell me in the comment how many people you see breaking the rules. Let's have a contest. One motorbike jumped this way, taking a left. Okay, this guy is going for it. This guy is going for it. Okay, let's go. It's our turn now. Hey, one more rule breaker. One more rule breaker. No helmet. Time to ride the flyover. We are going towards Anand Vihar Interstate Bus Terminus. Look at the empty flyover. Nobody's here. Oh guys, how do you like the video, today's video? If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe and share. Let's talk in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe them. Okay, let's continue on with this video. See, still coming from the wrong side. Why are they running away? Traffic jam. Oh shit. Oh look, a Mercedes. Oh, looks like we have to take a detour. Oh, I have to stop recording for a while because it will be a hectic and I don't want somebody stealing my phone because it's only one that I got.